What's up, guys? The CAA MCK Mod 3 is here. As you guys know, I've been running the 2nd gen for a long time, and it's been amazing to me in terms of a platform where you can take any pistol that's sitting in your safe, collecting dust, not really doing anything, and turn it into a platform that will give you maximum functionality and stability and accuracy. You know, maybe it's home defense. Ladies are home, they're not as fond of handguns. You can put your handgun in one of these and turn it into a platform that they can manage way better. Guys are using these on teams. These change the game. Essentially, you get 2 weapons in one with your pistol if you want to upgrade to this. So this is the 3rd gen. I'm stoked about it. One of the things I noticed instantly is with the Gen 2, you can mount an Optic, which is super dope, which is what you do for all your guns, right? But this one, you don't have to mount an Optic. Boom, we are running the Optic on my pistol. Which is just like, it just makes the most sense. That's what I love about this company. Everything makes a lot of sense. I set this thing up in 2 seconds. I did have to throw in a different backplate back here. So I was able to throw that little backplate in back there. And now I have a charging handle here. So when I charge this weapon, it's working off the weapon, which is even better, more stable, more secure. I really love the fact that you have an adjustable stock here. If you want it all the way up, if you want to lower it, you can. So you can just drop your eye right where you want it and you can see everything. And you're in business. You can just live there, and the rise makes it easy for you to stay where you want to be as you negotiate your targets. They changed this folding support so you can actually have it go to either side depending on what you favor. You just throw one of these little pins in here. This thing's totally adjustable to you and how you want it, your preferences. You can slide these forward and backwards. I just really love that I can run my sight. I love that this is totally adjustable. Obviously, you can throw, right? You can throw a spare mag here. You can throw another mag in underneath. So you can have your reloads literally right here, ready to rock, right? Boom, there you go, 2 mags. So you can do whatever you need to do with this thing. It's pretty amazing. I'm super stoked about it. Can't wait to run this bad boy at the range and get loose with the new MCK Gen 3 standby, palms down, coming at ya. Boom.